welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can give your accountant access to your QuickBooks Online. The process is quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to go to QuickBooks and then just make sure that you're currently logged into your account. So after doing so, just go to your settings. So just locate this gear icon on the upper right part of your screen, and from these options, go to the Manage Users. So in this Manage Users, you'd be able to see different options on the section, which is Users and Accountants. So go to the Accountant section, and on the section right here, this is where you can type in the email of your accountant. So once you have entered your accountant's email address, just select the invite button. So your accountant then will receive an email about the invitation, and you'll know they have accepted your request when the status on the Manage Users page changes from invited to active. So your accountant will get a link to access your QuickBooks Online company if they already have QuickBooks Online account. So if they don't, they need to sign up. So signing up is free and lets them access all of the features available in your version of QuickBooks Online at no cost to you. So that's basically it. Those are all the process that you need to do if you want to give your accountant an access to your account on QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But thank you so much for watching and have a great day.